I'm gonna be honest on this one. Huh? Today's on Sunday, and I was procrastinating about making this video, whether I should make it or not, and stuff here. Actually, it's on Sunday around 9 p.m. almost. Huh? And I all of a sudden decided, let me make this video because I promised myself that I'm going to be making a video at least once per week. So I want to continue with the rhythm. Anyway, guys. I'll be analyzing the markets, of course, but not new concepts. I'll be just tracking, what happened previous week, simply because I have running trades. So there's no way I'm going again to analyze trading, my trading for new opportunities, despite on other 2 trades actually on my account that I'm comfortable sharing at the moment. It's a good funded phase 1 account. That one I'm comfortable sharing, with you guys. When you grow old in this stuff, you realize that at the end of the day, it's not worth it, to showcase what are you making here and there. Reaches a point whereby you just cool down, bro. Like, do your business. Do your business as underground. You don't want any type of noise, especially from online. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing. So yeah, let's jump in and try to see what is happening. Now this is what we call EURNZD. Now from here, I have GBPAUD. Let me start. These are some of the trades that I actually analyzed last week. Now for this one, I was looking forward for to take a sell from this range here to that range right there below right here, right? But as the look of things, price actually came in very aggressively. But another thing is okay, despite me trying to say this and this, was there really an imbalance here? There was an imbalance here, very tiny one right here, and you saw price ended up hitting full stop loss like within a day, bro. So yeah, that one, nothing much can be said about it. But at the end of the day, it is what it is. So that one still hit. Let's go to AUDCHF. AUDCHF also, I was in this trade the previous week actually. I told you guys that I was in this trade the previous week, and you can see price ended up taking us out on Monday actually. Immediately the market opened, I think so. Yeah, immediately the market opened, and on Tuesday, I think so, 19th May, I was taken out on this trade actually. And it is part of the game. Like, you don't have to shy away or something. I was in this trade, but some of the mistake that I realized I made was that I didn't have what we call a clear imbalance. There was no imbalance here. The imbalance that was here was much away from my 75 and 71 zone. So I took this trade because probably I was not patient enough, right? So that one I sell it. I got cooked there. And then EURUSD, I'm not on this one. So I'm not on this one, but you can see it's currently at our zone. So this week there has not been much movement actually the past week. Yeah, from 18th May, there's no movement. Imagine this guy has only moved this. You can see this box here. This EURUSD has moved only that box. I guess it's due to probably the uncertainty that is currently happening in the Strait of Hormuz and stuff. People are probably Trump has not given the direction on what is currently going to be happening. And that's EURUSD. And let's go to EURNZD. EURNZD, I'm not on this trade definitely. And you can see we are playing out somehow we're about to call this range here. This is what I'm looking at. Then price came and it didn't hit our stop loss, as you can see here when I do that. But at the end of the day, it is what it is. So price is currently playing. Let's hope we continue going to the downside. That's EURNZD. Then I have AUDCHF. This trade I'm on it. This trade I'll show you in a few. So I'm actually on this trade. The reason being, targeting this range here. When I go to the daily, there is actually this range here. You can see right here. This is the range here from here to there. Then when I go to the 4-hour, exactly there, I had what we call an imbalance right there. You can see price actually bounced off. It's not like kidding or something. Price bounced off from that imbalance, went up, came down, went up, and it's actually playing trying to play out. Let me wish that when the week opens, we probably gonna continue to the upside. That's how we cut, nothing much there. Now GBPUSD, I'm looking at GBPUSD from this point right here. So yeah, this is GBPUSD right here. So there was an imbalance here. I'm probably looking at this range. So price is currently playing at at my entry point. GBPUSD, and then that's AUDCF again. Let's continue with AUDCF to finish off this thing. AUDCF, there was this range on the 4 hour that I was looking at. Then on the daily, I'm also looking at these 3 candlestick as my range. So when I come to the 4 hour, you can see price actually tapped me in very aggressive. I was not sure about this. I was just on my knees, bro, like trying to to force things here and there. But you can see if my stop loss could have been up right here, then definitely I could have been taken out. But regardless, it was below here. So yeah, I'm waiting for the week. I'm hopeful about this one, AUDCF and AUDCAD, because in each trade I'm actually risking 2%, right? So 2% to make around 4.9%, right? So 4.9%, let's say 10%, right? These 2 trades, if they play out, I'll have made 10% on this one, and it probably push me to almost positive 8% on my accounts that I'm actually trading. So let me open my MT5 for the first time. Actually, I've set my MT5 for PC, so we can see that I'm not explaining my own things right here. So this is my terminal right here. You can see this is an AUDCAD right here. It's an active trade. I'm actually floating $78 right there. AUDCF, same thing for $10, total of 119, and my equity is at 49.65. So I was almost negative 3% on this got funded account. With that 10% boost, I'm guaranteed that I can go positive 7% at least, for this account. That will mean a lot for me. Let's meet next time for another episode. It's been a good one, and hope your week has also been a good one, and one of the things that I'll always try to encourage you, that it is possible you can make it in this thing, bro. Where I am today is not where I was, bro, for the past 1 year. This strategy I'm doing, I started implementing this year because it's a mechanical strategy, because I tried what we call discretional trading, and it was not working for me. I decided to look for a mechanical way of trading. So yeah, that's what I can advise you guys. Keep pushing, man. Keep pushing yourself. It will finally work out. Follow the rules, never break the rules. G Forex here. Let's meet next week for another update and video. Peace.